Hello guys, welcome to Swapna tutorial. In this video we are going to learn introduction and concept of management. The basic unit of society is individual, but no single person can satisfy all his desires by himself. Therefore, he unites with other fellow beings to get the work done efficiently and effectively, so that they organize in a group to achieve what he cannot achieve individually. Human beings are surrounded by organized groups of many kinds. Example, a family, a playground, a workplace, a school, a business firm, etc. So management is an essential part of group activity. In every group activity, there should be a management to divide the work systematically based on employee skills and talent so that they can achieve their goals in a short period of time. And most important aspect of management is it brings human and material resources together and motivates people for the achievement of the objectives of the organization. For every organization, there should be a planning, organizing, staffing, directing and controlling. Now let us know concept of management. In order to understand the concept of management, first we must know the actual meaning of management. The term management has been used in different senses. Sometimes it is used in the sense of managing the group of people in an organization. At other times it refers to the process of planning or organizing, staffing, directing, coordinating and controlling. In the next upcoming videos we are going to know these things in detail. And management has been defined differently in traditional and modern concepts by different authors. According to Mary Parker Follett, management is the art of getting things done through others. According to Harold Kuhns, management is the art of getting things done through with the help of people, informally organized people. But in the traditional point of view, management is not appropriate in the present day environment because it is not possible to get things done from others by force. Instead of ordering them, workers should be educated first and trained so that they feel motivated to perform their task in a better way. It is necessary to create an environment so that they show more interest to work and improve themselves. But the traditional concept of management does not define the functions of management. Next we are going to talk about modern concept of management. Here management is an activity, so wherever there is a group of people working in an organization, they have diverse functions but the aim is to achieve same goal. And management is also a process of getting things done to achieving goals effectively and efficiently. According to F.W. Taylor, management is the art of coordinating all the resources through the process of planning, organizing, directing and controlling in order to obtain stated objectives.